Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. You are looking at a Dunhill Auto Rollalite. Vertical ribs, or ribbed vertically. It's in very good condition. Shows wear, dings, scuffs, scratches. Don't see any major dents. Definitely in used condition. But in good working condition. Have, looks like about 4 patent numbers listed there. Dunhill, made in Switzerland. Has this nifty little flip up screw here, fill screw. Which still has the gasket. And spare flint compartment. It's not a flimsy screw there, that's a solid piece of equipment. I've had a few Dunhill Rollalites, including one of the small size, maybe a couple of small size, I can't remember. But this is the first auto Rollalite that I've had. It is a very nice lighter. I think I may got at least one lighter that I have in mind, and maybe a couple of others that I'm probably going to do a comparison video to the Dunhill Rollalite. So if you have any comments or questions about that, leave those below. Let me know if that's something that you would be interested in seeing. A lot of times with these old lighters, they'll be really pitted, and even if they look good from a distance, you can see a lot of blemishes to the finish. And while this one seems to have a good number of scratches on the bottom, and it certainly has scratches up here. It's not pitted like some others that I've had. Very nice lighter, in very good condition. If you collect vintage cigarette lighters, or are an enthusiast of using them, then the Dunhill Auto Rollalite is one of those lighters that is on everybody's list. Fine piece of workmanship. It's the opposite of a Bic lighter that you're going to throw away. This you can hand down to your grandkids, and they'll be using it until they pass it on to someone else. If you like these sort of videos of old cigarette lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms, then please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Please tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that off in an email, text, on social media, however it is that you communicate with people nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Also, social media, if you would follow and like Dependable Flame and dependableflame.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. As I said earlier, if you have any comments about this particular lighter, then leave those below. Until next time.